So, what are the best dropshipping products to sell in 2026? Because honestly, the difference between a store that makes sales and a store that completely fails usually starts with the product itself. Right now, competition is higher than ever. People are smarter online, and random products with no demand usually do not work anymore. That is why product selection matters so much in 2026. So, in this video, we are going to talk about the products performing best right now, why they work, and what beginners should actually focus on before starting a store. First, problem-solving products. These continue to dominate dropshipping. Anything that saves time, makes life easier, improves comfort, or fixes a daily problem usually performs well because people buy solutions much faster than random products. Now, another huge category, tech accessories. Things like phone gadgets, desk setup, accessories, portable chargers, LED products, and smart home devices continue getting massive attention online, especially products that look visually satisfying in short videos, because attention matters more than ever now. Now let's talk about beauty and self-care products. This niche keeps growing every single year. Products related to skincare, beauty routines, organization, wellness, and self-care continue performing extremely well on social media, especially products with strong visual transformations, before and after effects, or satisfying demonstrations. Another strong category in 2026, fitness and lifestyle products. Home workout accessories, recovery tools, portable fitness items, and posture-related products continue getting huge engagement online. People love products connected to health, confidence, and self-improvement. Now here is something very important. Beginners forget. Do not choose products only because they look cool. Choose products that immediately create curiosity. The best products usually make people stop scrolling instantly. When somebody sees the product, they immediately understand the value or want to learn more. That is extremely important for organic marketing. Another massive factor in 2026, content potential. If a product is difficult to explain in a short video, it becomes much harder to sell organically. That is why products that work well in TikTok-style content usually perform much better now. Now let's talk about mistakes. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is choosing oversaturated products without adding branding personality or originality. If your store looks identical to thousands of others, people lose trust immediately. Even small improvements in branding, website design, and content quality can make a huge difference. Another important thing, avoid products with too many problems. Fragile items, complicated electronics, or products with high return rates can become a nightmare for beginners. Simple products are usually much easier to manage. And honestly, one of the biggest opportunities right now is still organic content platforms. Like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube allow products to go viral extremely fast without spending huge amounts on advertising. That is why product choice and content strategy now go together. So to wrap this up, some of the best dropshipping products to sell in 2026 are problem-solving products, tech accessories, beauty and self-care items, fitness products, and visually engaging gadgets that perform well in short-form content. But honestly, the product alone is not enough anymore. The real difference comes from branding, content trust, and understanding how attention works online.